Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Coach Peter Studios. If you're watching from Facebook, it's Digital Income Lab. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly give this a thumbs up, subscribe or follow the page so that you become part of the family and so that you won't miss any updates from this platform. So recently I have a video on how you can start, or the strategical way you need to start your your online money making journey. I released not long ago, and at the end of that video I made said in our next video I'll be doing a video that will help you that you don't know yourself, that you are about to know yourself, and even if you have known yourself, how you may take your first online income stream. So if you want to make money online but you don't know where to start, this video will help you choose very first online income stream based on what fits you best. Okay, let's get into it. First, you have to know yourself. Okay, start by knowing yourself. What can you do? Okay, what can you do? Like, you, the person that you want to make money online, what can you do? Okay, so you have to ask yourself, do I enjoy talking or being on camera, like as I am sitting in front of camera recording myself? Am I good at writing or editing designs? So if you are someone who is good at writing, who is creating stories, and who is making designs, so you have to know yourself first. Do you want to do I want fast cash or passive income? So can I stay consistent or do I need flexible options? You have to ask all these questions. Okay, so the reason is that once you get answers to these questions, that's when it will help you choose the right path. Okay, so I'll start by saying people who like writing and designing, so I'll classify them as freelancers. And if you want to engage yourself into freelancing, I'll suggest two websites for you. That's Fiverr and Upwork. It's very user friendly. And you know what, if you have a skill like writing, voiceover, graphic design, video editing, or even data entry, freelance is one of the fastest way to earn online. You get paid per job. Yes, it's per job. Active income, but great for quick cash. Okay, so this as I said earlier, this opportunity is best for people who are good in writing, designing, editors, and if you are good in voiceover and everything, as that falls under what I've mentioned, okay, you're gonna go in for freelance. Okay, so if you have identified yourself as someone who have great interest in doing all these stuff, you're gonna go into freelance. Okay, so if you take the income aspect of this, I would say it's active and it pays per project. Okay, so the second on our list that we'll be talking about is content creation. Okay, content creation platform like YouTube, TikTok, mostly that platform is for content creators, but you can also use Facebook pages, WhatsApp channels, and other mediums to do your content creating. So are you creative, good at talking, or teaching, creating videos to learn from art or sponsorship or affiliate links? It takes time to grow, but as soon as you are able to make it and you get monetized and you start making money on your videos, it's gonna help you. Okay, content creation is something that you have to be consistent. If you choose that field, you have to be consistent. So you have to know yourself very first, and then the next thing also. This aspect, or that's the content creation, is best for people who are confident and creative speakers. Okay, the time I would say is high because you have to be consistent every day. You have to be posting. Okay, and for that, for content creation, it's passive. Okay, it's passive after growth. Yes, it's not as soon as you start. You see, for freelancing, you can just start today, and if you are lucky, you get someone to work it. But for content creation, you have to start, and it's gonna take some time before it goes through. Okay, so the third on my list that I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products. Just take it in mind. When you promote other people's products to get commission. Okay, so affiliate marketing will be third. And if you want to go into affiliate marketing, I would suggest Digistore or Impact or Digistem or Warrior Plus, as these four websites is user friendly and you will never regret indulging yourself in. So you don't want to create your own product, just promote other people's products and earn commission on sales. This was great if you already have a social media audience or you want to build one. Platform that I've tested and approved is Digistem, and Digistem offers tutorial, or let's say courses that after registering you can just take those courses and they will help you and how to boost your engagement and follow how to get more audience on your social media and other stuff. So if you want to go in for affiliate marketing, this is how you go it. It's the 4 platforms that I've said or I'm talking about: Digistore24, Digistem, Impact, and Royal Plus. Okay, and this is best for social media users and bloggers and influencers. Okay, so this one everyone can do. Yeah, everyone has. If you only have access to your smartphone or a laptop or whatever smartphone that can access the internet, you can do it. Okay, so that one too, I will classify Airtime as medium, and it's passive income after setup. Yeah, once you set up, you can, after setup is complete, you're gonna start making money. As soon as someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you get your commission. Okay, so that's all for affiliate marketing. And the next one on our list, I will be saying online tutoring or coaching. Okay, so as for people who do affiliate marketing, me for instance, people call me coach because I do lecture or mentor people on how they will start their affiliate marketing journey, on how they could make sales and then stuff. So that one I'll classify it as online teaching or coaching. Yes, and it's not for that aspect alone. If you are someone who is good at school subjects or specific skills, you can teach others online and earn from live session or record courses here, because if you go to some platforms, there are courses that are recorded in video form and they are selling them, and once you take them, it's good. And if you can do it, you earn. Okay, you can start with Zoom or create content on platforms like Udemy or other stuff and make money from it. Okay, so this one, no, I would say it's best for passionates, or if you are passionate and expert, teachers too can then do it. And if you are someone who is ready to learn, you can also do it. Okay, since it's active. And for that one, the income, I would say it's active or semi-passive. Yeah, it's semi-passive because it takes time a bit. Okay, it takes time a bit. And the next on our list that I'll be talking about is microtasking. Okay, or survey app. You see, there are a lot of apps that's offering free money, but please, one thing you have to bear in mind is all these websites and platforms and apps that are offering free cash and free money usually takes time. Yes, it takes time. The time that's required before you get your minimum withdrawal is sometimes, but if you are lucky and you put in extra effort, you will make it with a blink of an eye and you'll be happy. So once you start earning even without skill, this app lets you earn small amounts or for simple tasks like watching videos, clicking on ads, answering surveys. Not high income, but good for starters. If you are someone who is trying to dive yourself into online money making, you can just start with microtasking or survey app. Best for absolute beginners. And the time, as I said, it takes time, and the income is low. It's low, but I would say it's steady. Yeah, it's steady. It's low but it's steady. So if you want to choose among all these that I've mentioned, it's good. Okay, but for the microtasking and then stuff that I just talk about is absolutely for beginners. So if you are someone who is a beginner, total beginner, and you are now starting, you can start from there, and I promise you, with the blink of an eye, you can make it. Okay. So how can you choose right one from this list? If you're still confused, or if you are still confused about what I've said so far, let me make it easy for you. Okay, so want quick cash, freelance and service. Okay, you want quick cash, freelance and service. You want to build a brand, YouTube or affiliate marketing. And if you love helping people, teaching or coaching or online tutoring. Okay, no skill yet, try microtasking and learn from the side. Okay, whatever you pay, don't jump from one to other soon. Yes, if you are starting with affiliate marketing, make sure you have the skill, because you have already identified yourself. Make sure you have the skill and you can do it better. Okay, so once you start on affiliate, don't just jump too quick to somewhere like freelancing or something. If you can only do that when you are expert than you know yourself that you can do it. For that one, I'll give it that. But if you are someone who is starting, I would advise you not to jump from one to the other too soon. Okay, so if you are able to identify from my list the one that you want to pick, just pick the one and comment to it for 30 days. Focus, learn, improve, and take action. In my next video, I will show you how to earn first dollar online from the path you've chosen. Okay, like the video, share, don't miss it. Okay, so that, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that anytime that I bring update, you will be able to see. Thanks for watching.